Their sense of humor up Nepal. Nigeria and their cruise. All you ritualists that use your teeth. What is the Nigerian dream like? Wait, they don't have sense. 100 kills of sugar. Aso rock. Cause money is plenty in this country. Then you hold it. What do you call tissue paper? When you are second, you're not looking for other places that you feel. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I am Adiah. This is my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber, hi. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Sending you so much love, so much light, and let's get into the video. Today, I'm coming to you live with a Nigerian tag. Who knows, maybe now you get to where I'm really from. First question, were you born in Nigeria? Sadly, yeah. Yes, I was born here. Like, if I was born in some other place and brought here, at least I know that I have one leg there, one leg here, but like, it's unfortunate. Do you live in Nigeria or have you ever lived in Nigeria? I have been living in Nigeria. How about that? How about that? Which part of Nigeria are you from? I am from Cross River State. South, I believe. I'm joking, I know. Before somebody will clock me in the comments, because I know you guys are plenty. What's your traditional name? My traditional name is Adiah. That's right. What's the meaning of your traditional name? Haha. It means my mother. Okay. What's your favorite Nigerian song? How about you put Omabelle, Thames, Joe Boy, their album on shuffle. That's my favorite Nigerian song because I can't pick. What's my favorite Nigerian movie? Right now will be Luno. I didn't just recently watch it, but so far that's like the one I really like. My favorite Nigerian food does rice and beans count? My favorite Nigerian food is rice and beans. I mean, it's not Nigerian food because you can still see rice in America and beans in America. I mean, who's your favorite Nigerian personality? Really, seriously. Right off the top of my head, right now, Nancy is me. What is the best way to identify a Nigerian? Their sense of humor. Please, am I wrong? Their sense of humor. What's the best kept secret about Nigeria? Wait, they don't have sense. Like, Nigerians look like they have sense, or they don't have sense. I'm not saying that they're mumu, their head is not correct. But they look like their head is correct, but their head is not correct. That's the best kept secret, honestly. The biggest misconception about Nigeria would be that there's no money in this country. That's the biggest misconception. Because money is plenty in this country. You just have to know who knows where to get it from. But there's money in this country. I know where to get it. My God's grace. What do you love about Nigeria? What I love about Nigeria is that Nigeria and their cruise. Like nothing you'll ever see in your life. I'm telling you. I'm beginning to appreciate the music. Afrobeat. I didn't used to listen to Afrobeat before. Yes, clock me if you want. It's you and your family's business. I don't care. But as of recent, as of like October, November, I said listening to Burna Boy, Omabelle, Thames, Fireboy, Joe Boy. I was sleeping on it, okay? So what do I dislike about Nigeria? At this point, the question is also what don't you dislike? Because what you dislike, there are too much. Okay, what do I dislike about Nigeria? It's not like America. That's what I dislike. Nigeria is not like America. If it was like America, I wouldn't dislike anything. But it's not like America, so I don't like it. What is the Nigerian dream? To make money, to blow. OBO, to have $13 billion at the Naira, I can't. Mention 5 Nigerian states: Abia, Cross River, Lagos, Abuja, Kogi. Mention 5 Nigerian landmarks: Yankari Game Reserve, Obudukasi Ranch, Olumo Rock, Aso Rock, Millennium Park. Oh, bless my heart. Yes, please, that's your landmark, okay? Who will you tell in Abuja that you want to go to Millennium Park and the person is only the place? Is the person new? Landmark. What do you say when the power comes in? Really? You want to hear from my mouth? Up Nepal. You have heard this times. You're going to a military team party close to the army barracks in Nigeria. Are you going to wear a camo shirt? Am I mad? It's like I'll wear what I want to wear, and now wear the camo shirt on top. You understand? To camouflage. So when they ask for their shirt, I give them their shirt. Then I'm wearing what I'm supposed to wear. You understand? The ID says all guests should be seated by 10 a.m. What time are you coming? 11 to 45. Because 11:30 gong is when it is actually starting. So 11:45 is when I'll come. I still I'll be early. But if you want to come by 12 o'clock. That's when everything has started. You're coming at the right time. 11:45 say early, but if you want to come by 12. What do you say when you're doing a sound check? Testing 1 2 3. Testing the microphone. God. Then you hold it. What's Nigeria's official party food? Jollof rice. What do you eat when you're broke and hungry? One of two things. One pair. Either you eat gala and lacasera, or you eat coke and 100 naira bread or 50 naira bread, depending on which one you have money for. But around that time. And if you are bougie small, you eat meat pie. What's the Nigerian term for a commercial motorcycle? Okada or a Harley bike. Harley bike, but it's Okada. How many cubes of sugar do you put in Gary? Listen. In my life, I don't think I've ever put less than 10 cubes of sugar in Gary. In my whole life. At the point I was counting it, like I'm sure I've taken 100 cubes of sugar in the space of one small week like that. I like my Gary to be sweet. I like to be eating the Gary and be crunching the sugar in my mouth. Your auntie is visiting from the village. What traveling bag is she carrying? Ghana was low. Then she'll pack the remaining small things in bako bag. One Ghana was go, the bako bag be like 5. She has come. What do you call tissue paper? Tissue now. Is there another name for tissue? It's tissue, me I know. Tissue. Toilet roll. I don't know. I can't call it, but I call it tissue. How do you open a bottle of soda? With opener. All you ritual is that use your teeth. With opener, that's how I open it. And yes, it's paining me. India versus Nigeria. Who won? What was the scoreline and who scored it for Nigeria? Do you know you're having this? I don't even know it was football, like it's not scoreline. You know we're asking this question. I know you're like, you was pleasing me. What is the general term for drinks like Coke, Fanta, Pepsi, Mirinda? It's mineral now. Mineral water. That's what you call it. Mineral water or soda. But general term is mineral. You have visitors. What's your mother sending you to buy? Malt. For adults, Coke and Fanta for children. Results are out. You were second in your class. What's your mom's comment? It depends. When you are second, they're not looking for other places that you failed. Like if you got A in English or math, your total class average over your own average. But if all of those ones are okay, I'm like, you can do better, but you try. Congrats, you try. Pronounce the following words: oil, yam, ear, happy, teacher, faster, and yay! My enemies are found you. Junction. You know what needs to come up with my mouth. Hey God, I swear, God will not allow the devil to see me. You know what wanted to come up with my mouth? Junction, please. Let's all be guided, okay? So that's it, guys. That's it for the Nigerian tag. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you want me to do more tags. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Leave a comment in the comment section about literally anything that you want to see. See you guys in my next video. Bye.